Here she is, the yellow banana, formerly a supercharged B18CR, now a H22a from a Euro-R, the 220 horse version. All complete except for alternator belt and throttle cable bracket. I've got some cable ties there for now. Well, it's a cable, they're ties, cable ties. That's what they're for. And obviously a little bit still to go in here, but one promising thing, if I can get the fucking key to turn. All systems go, no check lights. Of course, currently still running off the battery since it doesn't have an alternator belt, but yeah, good to go.